Okay, everybody, are you ready for this? Batman versus Superman, Dawn of Justice. Okay, well, big question. Will we remember this movie in the short, medium, and long term? This is a very tough decision. After watching the movie, I was 50. No, I like a lot of things. Critics are no. Do you know what? I like a lot of things. 75%. Okay. Let's begin. Well, let's begin with general information and movie director. Well, Zack Snyder is the movie director here. The guy, it's well known for 300 and other nice movies. And this movie, you know, it's a very, they announced this movie some years ago, and then it's like the return of DC Comics with Batman and Superman, and I think that this is the first of a lot of movies, and that's why here some things good and bad will happen. Okay, let's talk about the plot, story, and engagement. What is going on here? This is a very interesting movie. In the first act, there's a very interesting movie talking about why why Superman, sorry, it's not good for the human beings. He's an alien, and then Batman, it's a very interesting thing. The problem here begins when in the second and third act, let's say, what happened, it's the movie is trying to set, or the story is trying to set a lot of things for new movies. That's why this is when a lot of problems happen. And you stay engaged at the beginning, but later you stay engaged, but a little kind of like confused. Now let's talk about acting. Well, there's a lot of good actors. Let's begin. Superman, Henry Cavill. I like the man. He's trying to replace Christopher Reeve, that, well, great Superman. This guy, I like him as a Superman. Ben Affleck, there was a lot of controversy, good Batman or bad Batman. I like how he embraced the character, and he's doing a very good job in the movie. Then we have Jesse Eisenberg as Lex Luthor. This guy, for me, I like him in this role because I don't like the guy. I don't like this guy has this kind of personalities that it's easy to hate him. And then as a villain, of course, you will hate him. Jeremy Irons as Alfred, good. And wow, my God, I was waiting for Wonder Woman, and this lady Gal Gadot, wow, she is amazing. Okay, acting. Well, like I said, Ben Affleck, thank you, man. A lot of people was a lot of guys were saying, oh, this will not be a good Batman. Yes, you kill it. You did a very good job. Henry Cavill as Superman, very good. Amy Adams, Lawrence Fishburne, all the others, very, very good job. And again, Wonder Woman. Good. Okay, other elements. Well, here it's where this movie stands out, because Zack Snyder knows how to do beautiful movies. And the other elements, the special effects, all the cinematography, the photography, everything, the music, everything, it's great. That's why the action scenes, they look amazing. That's why I really like the movie, because it's a party. It's music for your eyes because you love it, and also music for your ears. It's a very, very nice movie. That's why will we remember this movie in the short, medium, and long term? I think so, because this is the beginning of a lot of movies. That's why I want to go for 75%. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends, and remember there's a button here where you can subscribe, and thank you so much. See you.